Hello everybody, here we are. My latest mosaic, two frogs, a lovely summery scene on a lovely summer's day. And we can't call this a vignette this time because it's bright all over, but we have got a highlighted bit in the middle. So let's call that a spotlight where the action's going to take place. We've got a beautiful pink lily, complementary pink to the green of course. And the way I did the buds was to settle the grasses on top, and then as it melted down it looks like the bud is encased in the grass, which I'm really pleased with. He's about to dive in. Now in real life the eyes of the frog recede into its skull when it jumps like that, but of course I didn't do that because it would look weird, but moreover it wouldn't be funny, because I think what we're expecting to happen is for the frog to land on his pal, big almighty splash, and it's all going to kick off. So that is best illustrated in the accompanying verse, which goes like this. Two frogs. Of all the things of which Froggy is fond, favourite is to dive into this lily pond. He thinks life is sweet. Things ain't so bad when you're sitting on a lily pad.